What is up, everyone? Welcome to Breaking 365. My name is Joey St. Pierre, as always, and this is the first time I'm out of the house. After the rave, pretty much. And it's snowing. Holy crap. I didn't know that it was snowing. I got a shower, and I looked out the window and it's snowing. And I'm like, okay, that's different. And gotta go to work now. It's Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day to y'all. Hopefully your man or whoever your significant other, went out and got y'all something. I mean, to me, I don't know. I don't really like to buy something for Valentine's Day, but because I think it's, I don't know. Maybe it's just because I'm single that I think Valentine's Day is so overrated, but I don't know. Do you think it is? Alright, so I'm just leaving work now, and I'm getting in my car. So this is my car right now. Oh, holy crap. Look outside. Hold on. I'm trying to not get snow all in my car. Oh, Jesus. I can't even see the windshield. Oh, it's so cold. Alright. So I'm going at least 20 miles an hour in this snowstorm, which is really crazy. The roads are slick, and whatnot. I have my phone propped up against the steering wheel and whatnot. But holy crap, this snow is crazy. Like, the wind is like knocking the snow like all over and whatnot. And I don't know, these roads are really bad. So hopefully there's not any car accidents and whatnot. These guys are brave right here, snow shoveling the sidewalks and whatnot. But if you're all out there, I mean, even though the snowstorm's gonna be over once you see this, but hopefully none of y'all are in the Northeast around me and get into a car accident. Stay off the roads, guys. It's crazy. Alright, so I'm pulling into my neighborhood. Hopefully I don't get stuck. This is gonna be a tough one here. Usually, like, my truck couldn't do it. So I don't know about this minivan. Hopefully I don't. Come on, let me get up this hill. Come on. Come on. You got it. You got it. Look at that. What a beast. I don't understand how my four-wheel drive truck couldn't do it, but my minivan could. So, I don't know. Oh well. Alright. Let me into this house. Oh. Hey, I know, man. That snow's crazy.
Scared.
Scared of what? I drove like 10, 20 miles an hour. Is the baby up? Alright, good.
Yeah, the baby's up.
Yeah, we're babysitting Pedro.
Yes.
So hopefully he won't be up all night. Well, I'm not going to church tomorrow, probably not, but...
Thank you.
Hey! 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 Come here and give Uncle Joey some hugs and kisses.
Boo!
Boo! Hey! Can I have hugs and kisses? Can I have hugs and kisses?
Boo!
Oh. Mwah. Mwah. Say cheese. Say hi. Say hi, YouTube.
K.
Hi, YouTube.
K.
What? What are you talking about?
The party.
Alright, that will do it for today's video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And I'll talk to you later. Until next time, Joey St. Pierre, Breaking 365, signing out. Peace.